How are you guys? We're back again with another video. Today we're gonna put our hands on a LG Aristo. We're gonna be fixing the screen so you guys can learn how to do it, and along the way I'm gonna teach you like some of the components like I always do if you watch my videos. So we already got our screen. I got it from eBay. I'm gonna leave the link down below right there on the description so you guys can go and check it out, maybe buy the screen. So I'm gonna show you the right model number so you have it in mind, you have it ready, I'm sorry, when you order the part. That is MS210. That number will give you the exactly part. You don't get the wrong part, then you have to wait longer to fix your phone. So guys, when you finish watching this video, you're gonna be able to fix the LG Aristo by yourself, no help. So that way you can save some money. You know, repair become expensive today's, and like, you know, save some money. Go to the movies, eat some dinner, go on, live your happy life. So meanwhile, we're gonna put our hands on this. Okay, let's do it. No more talking, let's do it. Okay, we're gonna start by removing the screws that hold down the back plate of this phone. These don't have as many screws as like the Samsung or iPhones. It's basic repair, but I bet you guys wanna watch this video before you do any further damage on your device, so eventually will cost you more money. So just watch this video and then do it yourself. Okay, now we have removed all the screws. Oh, there is one more. I always missed it. There you go. We're gonna use my guitar pick. I'm gonna use that so I don't scratch any of the housing because this phone is very good shape. We're gonna just slide this guitar pick in between the screen and the frame. It's gonna give me a headache. There you go. You just have to hold the guitar pick pretty strong, firm, and you'll get in between. And that way you just have to go around the screen, just prying off that frame. There you go. Keep going like that, and just be careful. Don't hurt yourself, especially when it's like broken. This one is not too much, but sometimes they're like more damage, believe me, and it can get bad. So use some gloves if they're available. Okay, there you go. This will come out like that. As you guys can see, this is the power button switch, which is on the motherboard, and we just going to keep going by removing this motherboard. That's the LCD connector, the only one LCD connector. We don't have like two connectors like in different phone digitizer stuff. It's one single connector for LCD and digitizer. So we're gonna remove the cameras also. We don't wanna have any damage in the cameras. And both of them, the front and back camera, and this motherboard will come off like this. Just be careful, don't jam it too much because it's pretty fragile. Like you guys can see, it's very thin on the side. So it's just hold down by the by some clips. There you go. Didn't took too much effort just to pop it out, and like you guys can see, I'm gonna pull this camera so it doesn't get damaged with the heat. And there we go, we have the full screen. So from here we're gonna go ahead and use our heat gun. Okay, I always shake the heat gun like this because I don't like to give a straight heat to the LCD of the phone. I don't care if it's already damaged, but it's just the way I do it. Don't think I'm shaking, okay? So we're gonna give it a pretty good hit so it doesn't give it much fight to remove it from its frame, okay? Let's go ahead, heat it up. It's a pretty simple phone. It's nothing crazy on this repair, so go ahead. Just give it a little bit more. There you go. I think it's good enough. I'm gonna use my metal tool, flat tool, to pry off that LCD. It has just to let you know, this adhesive is pretty strong, but it only comes on the edges, on the sides. So we don't have adhesive on the middle, okay? They use kind of like silicone instead of adhesive, to be honest, which is, it worked perfect. I will be using the same thing. Go. Woo! That is hot. That is hot. No problem. Just be careful. If you guys better use glasses too, because sometimes those little glasses, they go flying. You don't want one of those stuck in your eyes. Believe me, you need your eyes. You need your eyes, definitely. I highly recommend you use glasses when you do this kind of repair. Okay, we got already top done, and I like to hold it like this because I'm gonna split them like while I'm giving heat, so that let me remove the screen faster. There you go. You guys can see that technique is being working pretty well to me. So if you guys want to use it, go ahead. We're gonna clean all the remainings of the broken glass. We don't want any particle of the old glass sitting down there when we install the new one. Believe me, I have done it and I lose money because the part is gonna get damaged and then you're gonna have to reinstall a new part. Okay, there you go. You guys can see. Just scratch it a little bit, make sure no glass is on that place. I can use also a toothbrush to clean it out. So there you go, we have it, it's clean. Next step we're gonna do is don't forget to remove the ear mesh right there, so it doesn't have an ugly look. You're gonna have the, like, something is missing on the top. We're gonna put that ear mesh on the LCD, the new LCD. There you go. It fits just fine. Okay, then gently, very gently, when you remove these covers for the LCD, you can easily rip off the cable and then that's it, you're done right there. Okay, we have it ready to installation. You guys can see that's a quick video. I'm gonna try to do quick for you so you guys don't feel like I'm sitting down here talking the whole day. Okay, then we're gonna go ahead and use our beloved B7000, which is like kind of silicone clear adhesive, clear glue, and we're just gonna apply some on the bottom like this. Just don't put too much, but put enough. I hope you understand. Don't put too much, but put enough. Okay, gonna just make sure it has enough glue for the screen to hold on. Okay, put a little bit on the sides. There we go. On the other side. If you guys want to take your time, just take your time. I do this like 100 of times, so I just go fast. Okay, that's good enough. We put the cover back. You don't want that to dry. You need it for the next repair. Okay, now we're gonna go ahead and slide that cable in this place right there. It has this hole where you slide that cable. Don't leave it on the top, because then you're gonna have trouble. The screen is gonna be stick, and you're gonna rip off that cable trying to pull off the screen. So just make sure you put it on that opening, okay? And gently just lay the screen on top of the frame. Guys can see, very easy, very easy. Just put some pressure, and meanwhile it's drying, I'm gonna start to put it back together. So that way I'm gonna have the complete phone done before it dries. Okay, look, here is the components. We have the SIM card reader and the SD card reader. We have the the charging port. You guys can see the charging port, just in case some of you want to do the charging port repair, we can get it done too. Okay, all right, let's do it. We're gonna put this phone back together. Just put the motherboard back in place. There it goes. You're gonna hear a clip. Don't forget to put back the cameras. Very important. You're gonna have a phone without camera. You don't want that. Okay. All right. Let's do it that way. Okay. That's how it's gonna look. And then go ahead and just plug the LCD connector, just like that. Make sure everything is back in place, and the last part we're gonna do, because here is where the vibrations and the speaker goes, we're gonna put back the frame, which is it will go just like a Lego tool, like that. You see, it's gonna come very easy. All right, last step, put the screws back in place so everything is taking shape, just in case the frame is bent. We have it. We have 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 screws. Some top 10 screws, okay? Just a few seconds more. And that's it, guys. That's gonna be all for today. We finished this one really quickly. I'm gonna just power it on to show you guys that we didn't do anything wrong. Of course, we have the the battery right here. I'm gonna power it on. See, I'm gonna peel off the plastic, ugly plastic, to show the nice and shiny screen. You guys can see, I'm gonna do some cleanup at the end. I'm gonna let it dry before I do some cleanup, and voila, your phone is being fixed. Okay guys, that will be all for this video. If you have some of this, just put it in, leave it with the clamp for like 5-10 minutes. I wouldn't hurt anything, and the phone is gonna be working perfect, as you guys can see. All right guys, thank you for watching this video. I hope it's been helpful for you. I've been trying to be as quick as I can but without leaving any detail that you need. Also, if you wanna keep all this information with the IMEI and everything, just remove this sticker and stick it back on the new one. Okay. Thank you for watching, guys, and as always, subscribe if you like it. Give it a like. Leave me a comment. Tell me what you think. Thank you. Bye.